Hi and welcome to Body and Trains, where we'll be reviewing an N-scale model train, specifically KATO DE10 JR, right here with me in Body and Trains. So before we begin, this is not a sponsored review, okay? So I bought this locomotive in Japan. I ordered it from Japan, and I think that was 2 weeks back. I finally got it. So we're gonna do the unboxing now. Let me just remove this plastic case. So it came with this kind of hard plastic, clear plastic, which is good for later. So if you want to display your locomotive, that's nice. And oh, there's another sheet of plastic here. Let's get that out. And that should reveal the KATO DE10. There you go. That's nice. Let's take that out. Let's take it out first. And let's check what else is included. It's nice. It actually looks really nice. Okay, let me put it down first. So it came here with the, I think, their numbers. It's like a plate number for trains, I guess. And what else? What else? Let's remove this foam. There's nothing there. Another foam. Nothing there. And we have the manual. So again, the DE10 JR, it's an N gauge. Let's see. Okay, so it's all in Japanese, I guess. Yeah. So if you can read Japanese, you can pause the video. But I think it gives you a diagram instruction on how to change the couplers. It's nice. Okay. Let's put it on the side first. So there's nothing else here. Okay, still in Japanese. Sorry, I don't know how to read Japanese. Okay, so here you go. Wow. Wow. That's, to be honest, this is my first N scale. And it looks real nice, honestly. These are, I believe, directional lights. So this one lights up depending on what direction you're going to. So they're like 5 tracks. Nice. Lights on front. Okay. So I think this one's the front. But it can go both ways. This one is, I believe, removable. There you go. There's nothing there, but as you can see, in terms of the details, let's be very, very careful on this one. There you go. It's back. So you can actually see my finger behind that window in the cockpit. Okay, so we're gonna put this on the track, on my track later, but just a little bit for a brief background on this. This is class DE10. It's a Japanese diesel hydraulic locomotive, and a total of 708 were manufactured and built between 1966 and 1978 in Japan, and as of 2016, April of 2016, there are still 108 of this one still running, operational. So we're gonna put it on the track so you can see it, okay? Let me pause the video first. So we got the DE10 on the track. So I'm using a KATO track. It's a simple loop. So I just set it up yesterday. So I apologize for the mess. So as you can see, I'm still working on the tracks. So there's still a lot of work to be done. I'll be using the standard KATO power pack to control the DE10. So we're just going to check how it runs, okay? So we're gonna put it on reverse and probably just put power. And there you go. And we're gonna stop it and put it on reverse to check. Yeah, so it's nice. So as you can see, the DE10 is running very smooth. So I'll be doing unboxing on the Walther's, I don't know what that is, but it's a three-stall roundhouse edition. It's this one. So I'll be doing an unboxing on that one so you can see how it, or what's actually included and what's the actual size once we put it here on our real model. So there you go, yeah. It's being controlled again by the KATO standard power pack. Again, this is not a sponsored review, so just to clear things up, okay? There you go. So again, thank you. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thank you. See you.